Yeah, y'all, 2024 BMW M3 competition package, man. Look at it, clean. With the carbon everything on it. You see the lip, see the side skirts, you see the mirror covers. Thing clean, man. It's clean.
You see that gold flake right now? That's the best time to look under the vent.
Oh, that's tight.
You see if you look in 2 or 3 years, you see the gold flake inside. It makes it crazy.
That look good. You see the brakes right there? Come on, man. Clean.
I know you got the 4s on there.
Oh yeah, look at that, man. Competition, X drive, rear carbon fiber diffuser. We got the cam thing ready, you know what I'm saying, in case you catch y'all slipping out there in these streets. This thing is beautiful.
Protection.
Look at that right there,
My boy's
man.
a hunter. You're lucky he's not right now.
Y'all see that? Damn. You know what I'm saying? Man, interior's fresh. Yeah, man, we in the car now. 2024 M3 competition package. And it's clean. The reason why I'm doing a voiceover right now is because music is playing. But, yeah, man, it's clean inside. Riding with my dog. BMW Overlord on Instagram. Check them out. Yeah, man, clean. Look at that screen all in the middle. That's the new one with the screen. You feel me? And yeah, look, it's still brand new. Still got the stickers on it. Yeah, man, that thing is clean, man. Competition package. So far, so good, man. You know what I'm saying? We rolling, you know what I'm saying? Your boy about to give you a review and let you know what it do. You know what I'm saying? About to get it cracking, man. Hopefully we in and out. Hopefully ain't no long line. The car sounds sick, though. I'm loving it. Motorcycle cop tried to catch us slipping right now. Ain't happening. You know what I'm saying? I stay on top of them. Y'all know I'm Fontana's most wanted. So yeah, man, we out here with it though. Whip's clean. Just had in and out, fire. Now on the way back to the crib, you feel me? Man, I like this car, man. Like I said, man, so far so good. It's quick. The throttle response is crazy. Like everything, the speed. Even when you driving slow, you can feel it going fast. Like I like this car, man. Interior is sick. Everything's leather. You know what I'm saying? So pretty sick car, man. Pretty sick car. Pretty sick car. I like it. And it get up. It moves. The thing moves. I can't say that the car does move.
It's a 95, but it's worth 30,000. Drove by public housing on my way to the mountains. Like Uncle Elroy said, it ain't no pools in the can't swim, so we drowning. Smoking blunts, clowning. Cribs got elevators and lounges. Pretty ass, I give up, I'm surrounded. Whatever I've been looking for, I think I found it. Go with your gut or it's based off the grind, nothing to do with luck. Arnold Rothstein said that you dress like a smuck. Keep a pistol tucked, cause set you up. He had 3 strikes, left a little homie on stuck. Now I'm feeling like Faison Love in this truck. Go pick a bitch up and go get f***ed up. Met her at Starbucks, she wasn't even starstruck. And she let her suck, you would've thought her throat stuck. She is the goal, my hockey puck. I'ma go to work and eat it like it was a potluck. Chomping on like I was a woodchuck. Good luck. I'm on my way.
Yeah, he wasn't playing with us, man. He seen us on the way to In and Out, and we on the way back, he was on our head. And on the way there, he was mean mugging us, and on the way back, he was mean mugging us. See, look, we check and see if he coming. Nah, he didn't pull up. He didn't pull up. Whew, that was a close one. That was a close one. Valves closed, so, you know what I'm saying? He didn't hear us coming, so it's a good thing about them valves. Hey, see that camera
Just like. That motherfucker hard. That shit nice, man.